The early morning hours on Sunday. This started about 9:30 a.m. That pilgrimage, so to speak, continues outside of Marlins Park. Memorial services for Jose Fernandez. A public viewing tomorrow from 5 to 11 at St. Brendan's Catholic Church in Miami on 32nd Street, Southwest 32nd Street. There'll be a motorcade that will depart from Marlins Park at 2:16 p.m. Complimentary parking is on the west side of Marlins Park for that. And in lieu of flowers, the Fernandez family has requested that if you'd like to make a contribution to the JDF 16 Foundation, and you can make those donations by sending a check to the Miami Foundation, 40 Northwest 3rd Street. We'll get you the rest of that address. MiamiFoundation.org/JDF16. That one fouled at the plate. Here's that address again. Online, MiamiFoundation.org/JDF16, 40 Northwest 3rd Street, number 305, Miami 33128.